And welcome to my cyberspace. In this series, I'm going to be talking about Python and how to get started with Python. You might be wondering what is Python. You might have heard terms like IDE. For many, it's just integrated development environment. Python is a very popular programming language that is out there and is used by various fields. But before Python, there were other programming language. But I'm just going to first of all tell you what Python really is. So Python is an high-level programming language. So meaning there are other low-level programming language. And the reason why it's high-level meaning is because you don't have to worry about a lot of memories when you write something. So you automatically just get all the stuffs together. I'm trying to use very layman language so as not to complicate things. So you kind of focus more on writing code that you can understand as a human language, because Python in itself, it's a language. You can say, oh, I speak English, you speak Hindu, or you speak Chinese, and you speak Python. So but I think the whole idea of Python is such that we can relate it to normal human language, so it makes it very easier to read and write. Also, I think the advantage of learning Python is just the fact that it's one of the open source programming language out there. It's unlike compiled language like C++ or Java. Python runs line by line through the interpreter, and it's very beginner friendly. It's used right now in the AI space, data science, web development, automation, just so many fields, cybersecurity, and all of that. And you don't have to pay to use Python. So there's so many contributors out there that is making Python really very useful. They build functions, they build library, and that is what everyone is trying to develop and collaborate on. That's why you can use Python, and there's just a lot of things you could do with it. It's available for Windows users, Linux, Mac OS, so you don't have device constraint. And one of the very popular libraries, especially for data experts, is you have Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, just so many things out there. So in the next video, I'll be explaining why you might not want to learn Python, and stay tuned for that. If this video was a value for time, do want to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Thank you.